Hi, I'm Jeff Vandervliet with Prowler.
I'm Todd Schmitz with Prowler.
And today we're going to show you the exciting features on the Prowler 303 SBH.
Jeff, let's check out the front and the new graphics package.
Sounds good. Jam-packed with features like power tongue jack, power stabilizer jacks throughout, largest battery storage tray for if you dry camp, the waterproof vault for your mini breakers and your color-coded wiring throughout the unit. And the front wall built with aluminum tubing cage, it's going to give you a lot of durability throughout the years. In the passive storage, you've got the magnetic holdback. Also same size door on both sides, lighting on both sides, your solar prep with the controller and pre-wired for an inverter. You can do 2 panels, it's already pre-wired up to the roof. So if you dry camp, it's a buildable program, very easy and convenient for you to add them. Also, on the entrance door, magnetic holdback on that as well. And the fold-out step and the large grab handle, convenience for coming in and out of the coach.
Hey Jeff, those steps are great. The other thing that we've done new for 2023 is our new laminated sidewall. This is Azdel back, there's no wood in here, it's 2 inches thick, makes for a very durable wall. The other thing that we have on all the Prowlers is the galvanized wheel well. That's going to protect in case you ever have tire blowouts, so you're not going to damage your coach. On the back of the unit, one of the things that we do on a lot of our units is we have an outside kitchen. You're going to have extra refrigerator place, you're going to have metal tops, and you're also going to have this great griddle. So whether you're cooking breakfast or lunch, great way to cook your meal and easy cleanup. Wow, Jeff, those new countertops look awesome.
Yeah, they're a real easy keeper, and it's a residential true solid surface. So, and it also has antimicrobial properties too, so it's going to keep everything healthy and clean for your family. It's just great.
Yeah, and the size of this sink, new for 2023, that's awesome.
Yeah, because pots and pans come with handles. That's a big deal.
Hey Jeff, why don't we tell them about Heartland's exclusive air fryer oven?
Yeah, I tell you what, it makes everything better. You still have a glass cooktop on top, but down below with that air fryer, cookies, pizza, wings, even leftovers, makes it all better. And it's got a dehydrator setting as well. Along with the great big pantry, you also have a 10.7 12-volt refrigerator that has huge capacity, but it opens on both sides.
That's a true game changer.
You bet it is.
The other thing, this trailer's going to come with a huge TV entertainment area. We've got an AM, FM, Bluetooth stereo with HDMI pass-through. You've got this shelf up here for any knickknacks you want to put there, and a bunch of storage down below. Also, we elevate that entertainment center so you can do a family of shoes right at the entrance door when you first come in. Mom's got to be all happy about that, keeping the unit clean. Then we've also got our storage sofa here. We've also got a flip down center section, so when you're watching your favorite movie, you can have your drinks there. And this also folds down into a bed, so if you have extra guests, you're going to have a place for them to sleep.
Boy, I tell you, that U-dinette gives you all kinds of seating, but it also sleeps to adults in case you need it. That's a big, big deal, being able to have that sleeping. Other brands have tried to do L-shaped bunks like our bunk room, but none of them have a dinette, and this is a big deal. On a rainy day, where's everybody going to go? Bunk also goes up for storage when they're using the dinette, and that additional sleeping really gets you a lot of benefit. Also, TV connections back here too, entertainment center, and 3 windows for cross ventilation opportunities.
In the bedroom, one of the things that we have is a true residential queen bed, which is nice. And we also have wireless chargers on both sides of the bed so you can charge your phone. The other thing that we would like to tell you about is our dual ducted AC. We're going to have 50% more air openings for our AC, so this unit's going to stay a lot cooler than our competitors.
Thanks for taking the time today to check out all the great features on the Prowler 303 SBH. We think it's a big contender for your family.
And if you want to check out any other floor plans on Prowler, go to heartlandrvs.com.